Lines from 2 points, point slope form. Okay, so it says write the equation of the line that passes through the points 7, -8, and 2, -8. Put your answer in fully reduced point slope form unless it's a vertical or horizontal line. Well, I know because both of my y's are -8, it's actually going to be a vertical line. So I can type this in as x equals, I'm sorry, it's a horizontal line, y equals -8. Well, so that one was really easy. Let's do another one, hopefully a little more complicated. All right, so write an equation for the line that passes through the points -3, -2, and -4, -9. Put your answer in fully reduced point slope form unless it's a vertical or horizontal line. Okay, so let's see here. We've got -3, -2 is one of our points. -3, -2. And the other point is -4, -9. Right, so our other point is -4, -9. Well, so -3, -2, -4, -9. The first thing I have to do is find my slope. Okay, and I remember my slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, and if it's hard for you to organize your points, go ahead and label them, right? So you can remember what's your x1, y1, what's your x2, y2, okay? So go ahead and plug that in, and we've got -9 minus -2 divided by -4 minus -3. All right, so it's a whole lot of negatives, so let's simplify that. -9, those two negatives right there make a plus, and these two negatives in our denominator also make a plus. Okay, so -9 plus 2, that gives me -7, and -4 plus 3 is -1. -7 divided by -1 gives me a +7. All right, so my slope is 7, and then I can pick either one of my points to plug in, right? So I've got y minus, let's see here, if I do my first point, it's y minus a -2 equals 7 times x minus a -3. And they want it to be simplified as possible, which is a fancy way of saying don't write two minuses in a row, because that's sort of bad math grammar, right? So that would be using that first point and simplifying as much as possible. You could also write the equation y minus -9 equals 7 times x minus -4. And then again, you want to simplify those minuses. So we've got x plus 4. So these are two different ways to write the equation of the same line. Okay. If you don't believe me, we can hop over to Desmos and we could graph them, right? So we said y plus 2 equals 7 times x plus 3. Y plus 2 equals 7 times x plus 3. And we could graph the other equation, which is y plus 9 equals 7 times x plus 4. Y plus 9 equals 7 times x plus 4. And check it out. We have two overlapping lines, okay, green and blue, and they share every point the same, so that tells us it's two ways of writing the equation of the same line. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug that into Delta Math. Y, oh no, now I forgot my equations. It doesn't matter which one you pick, so y plus 2 equals 7 times x plus 3. Y plus 2 equals 7 times x plus 3. And they like it. Cool. And that's really all there is to that. Just they specifically asked for point slope form, so you do want to give them your equation in point slope form. Thanks so much.